Hello everyone, this is an introduction to the lab that you are going to do today, and the first thing is actually not quite a lab. This is the tail end of what we were looking at last week. And remember, we were thinking about the pressure from 65 football players stacking on top of us is the same as atmospheric pressure when we are at sea level. And the purpose of this lab is to try to give us a sense of how much that pressure actually is. And so you are going to measure a couple of different familiar objects. So one of them is a textbook and the other one is you. So the sub has the lab instructions, and I'm also going to post it digitally in case you prefer that. But this is an actual lab, so you should use your lab books. Now, again, if you don't have your lab book yet, the sub has some extras, but be sure to give her your name because you do need to pay me $1.50 for them. Okay, so don't forget lab ideas. You want to skip the first couple of pages. This year, I really am going to do a table of contents. The sub has the paper clips. So remember the nylon coated paper clips. You can clip those together so that you don't forget. So you're going to do a title. You can make up a title. Again, that's one of like the culture of EP Physics 2 is we do snarky stuff. So if you want to think of a snarky title, you can, or you can just put the one that's already on the handout. So we've got title, don't forget date, and purpose. Hopefully you have an idea of the purpose. You can listen to the first few minutes of this if you want to, but come up with a purpose. And then we're not going to have like method or anything. You are just going to kind of summarize what you're doing, and that can actually go with your purpose statement. And then you're going to have a data table, and the data table is given to you. And then for your conclusion, remember the most important thing in your conclusion is that you want to address your purpose. So think about what we were trying to find out. That's what you want to put in your conclusion.